Hi, I'm Dr. Surekha Tiwari. I'm a practicing homeopathic doctor in Bangalore for the last 22 years and in this profession for the last 32 years. I'm also a psychological counselor. I have 2 clinics in Bangalore, one in HSR layout and one in AECS layout. Cirrhosis of liver is damaged liver. When there is a damage in the liver, when the cells die, and in order to repair those damaged cells, there are certain fibrosis or there is production of certain cells to arrest the damage, and that's what forms nodes. Now often when you tell somebody that there is cirrhosis of liver, people assume that it is because of only alcoholism. That's not true. Alcoholism is only one of the reasons. There can be things like hepatitis B, and I've had many cases where people had blood transfusions, and because of those blood transfusions they also somehow unluckily got hepatitis B infections. They got it. Long untreated jaundice, which was not recognized or ignored by the patient, can also rise. But the first line of approach I would say here is that please be informed that liver is a wonder organ. If a person has 1/12 of his liver in his body, he or she can still function. So I don't think you need to, first of all, the diagnosis itself should not deter anybody from making all the right methods of getting better. And if at any point of time you feel that your digestion is not up to the mark, you feel that your body is not really doing good with the food that you're eating, or your digestion at large is not remaining good, do get ahead and get your ultrasound done. That is a good diagnostic tool for finding your cirrhosis if you have it. And second thing is get a liver function test, which will tell you how are the liver enzymes doing. Now once we're done with the diagnosis, what are we going to do about the cure? Vitamin B and vitamin C are the most important reparative vitamins for the liver. And what liver has to work over time to make sure that you are good with it is fats. So now it's a very easily manipulated diet. Reduce your fats. Reduce the amount of load on the liver by completely barring all kinds of fine salts, fine sugars and fine flour. And make sure that you feed your liver lots of vitamin C and vitamin D, sprouted dal, lots of citrus fruits, lots of, I would say, milk with the fat has been removed, right? If you're able to provide your body with this kind of thing, liver will start absolutely coming back. It will start repairing itself. And homeopathy has beautiful medicines for cirrhosis of liver. And I am saying this with full confidence. I have seen it in my so many years of practice that liver completely obeys the command of the medicine. It works very well. I think it is one of the most beautiful gifts that the human body has. If you can look after it by controlling your alcohol intake, by making sure that fruits are on your plate even when you don't have cirrhosis, and by making a good lifestyle in which you do not get the liver and over time when you're having dinner very late in the night, when you're not having food which is proper for you, if you're not giving those challenges to your liver, you will never ever have to face this problem.